So we can use algebra also to solve for some different heights and things like that, depending on, the scenario of the problem. So in this one, they give us a parallelogram, so I always suggest drawing a parallelogram. They tell us that the base and corresponding height are in a ratio of 5 to 2. So what that means is that the base is 5 times larger than the height when it's times 2. So what I do is I'm basically taking this ratio and I'm labeling it 5x and 2x on the figure. And so now all I have to say is that the area is equal to base times height. Well, the area we know is 250 centimeters squared. The base is 5 times some factor, and the height is 2 times some factor. So 250 is equal to 10x squared. Divide by 10, and you get 25 is equal to x squared. We now take the square root, and you get 5 is equal to x. I know some of you might be saying, well, what about the negative 5? Well, we're dealing with the shape here, so we can't have negative lengths here. So what I would do is I would take this 5, and I would plug it in. So 5 times 5, this is 25 centimeters for my base. And this is 2 times 5, which gives me 10 centimeters for my height.